Hey everybody, it's Tammy. So I'm going to be doing something different other than crafts. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Firmoo glasses. They come in this little box. It says you define your look. So I just went on their website. I picked out a frame that I liked and it came very quickly. So when I open the box, there's a little blue bag and the glasses are in there. We'll take the glasses out in a second, and there's a lot of little papers in here. Let's see what these are first. So it says exclusive saving for you, 50% off of frames, and it gives a code and a QR code. And there's another one. And then this just tells you about the company. It says see the world in a better sight, and all of their information about the product. Tells you how to clean it, how to care for it, and to maintain good eye health. So now let's get to the fun part. So comes in this cute bag. It looks teal. Teal's my favorite color. Teal and pink. And so I will take off my glasses and show you. Let me look at them first while I have glasses on. All right, so here they are with the clickable sunglasses. That's what I love about them, you guys. I am always either one, forgetting to put on my sunglasses or bring them with me, or two, forgetting to take them off and bring in my real glasses. I'll go in like Target or something. I'm like, I'm not walking all the way back out to the car, so I'll walk around in sunglasses. Anyway, so that's them with the clickable thing. And let's see, these are the frames I chose. Aren't they adorable? I love them. Let's see how they look on. So cute. What do you think? I love them. Now let's try the little clickable sunglass thing. Oh, cute. Can you hear it? Let me do it again, just so you can hear it. Are you ready? Listen. That click is satisfying, you've got to admit. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Listen. I love it. That is the most satisfying little click. So anyway, these are the frames. And there's the click. You can buy more of these. You can buy different frames. Just go to their website. I will have a discount code for you. But these are so cute and they feel really well made. Like I think I like them better than my other glasses. Just the frame, I think it looks cute. And I love this clickable sunglass thing because I mean, I can put this in my purse. I'll be made. Then when I get in the store, I'm like, I have on sunglasses. Yeah, just click on one and take it off. So listen, I love it. That little sound is just so satisfying. One more time, guys. Love it, love it, love it. So take them off. And I think you could probably just store your sunglasses in here, put them in your bag, carry it with you so you always have them with you. Or I guess you could just keep it together. And there's so many more to choose from. Go online, look up Firmoo. Use my discount code, get yourself some, then come back, comment below, let me know how you like them and what you got. And I'd love to see it. Send me pictures of you with your glasses on. Love it. They're so adorable. Anyway, that's it. That is Firmoo. Love it. Click. Love it.